If you're searching for the perfect weeknight meal, why not try beet salad? Bursting with fresh, flavorful red beets, onions, parsley, oil, and vinegar, it's a super simple and super delicious salad to add to your weeknight repertoire. I'll show you how it's done. I've got 2 big beets here, so now I'm just going to peel them, chop them, and get them ready to go into the boiling water. Now my beets are peeled and it's time to get chopping. So my beets are chopped and are in the pot boiling as we speak. I'm going to boil them until they're fork tender and ready to go, and then I'll drain them and rinse them. In the meantime, for my salad, I have here my parsley, my onion, and I am just going to slice up the onion real thin and then also mince the parsley. And all of these are going to go into our salad once the beets are done, and it's going to be so good. So yeah, let's get chopping. So now the beets are done cooking and they are tender and delicious. You can see from just those 2 beets it made quite a bit. And now it's time to make our beet salad. So we have our sliced onion. We had 1 small onion thinly sliced and about half a bunch of parsley. And then I'm also going to add some olive oil and some vinegar. So there's really no exact science to the order of this. You can just add it in, but I start with the parsley. Already it looks so pretty. The colors of the salad I just really love. It's one of those salads that you can definitely eat with your eyes first before you even eat with your tongue and your taste buds. So now I'm just going to sprinkle in the onion, and I'm just kind of taking it apart a little bit, the pieces, as I toss it into the salad. I love this salad. It's so good. And I was inspired because I ate like a beet salad that was similar to this at a hummus place in New York, and it was so good. So it just really inspired me to make my own because I enjoyed it so much, and I love beets so much. So if you're not a beet fan, I definitely recommend you give it a try. Alright, so I got all my onion and parsley. And now I'm just going to sprinkle with a little bit of seasoning. So I'm going to use a little pepper and a little salt. Just sprinkle it right on top. And you could also use other herbs too. If you have some other herbs that you really like, you can also use them. Now I'm going to sprinkle liberally with olive oil. Just drizzle right on top. And I pour about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Also, another type of vinegar that's really good with this is apple cider vinegar. So I'm just going to pour some right on top. And this is what gives it that nice tangy flavor that really, when you take a bite. Lemon juice also does the same thing, but I feel like vinegar is a little bit stronger. So you can test out the recipe with both. I've made it both ways, and I prefer the vinegar in mine. So let me know what you think if you try the lemon juice. Alright, so now I'm just giving it a stir. Get it nicely incorporated here. Such a beautiful salad with the white onions, the red beets, the green parsley, and it smells delicious. So as I'm tossing it, I'm just turning the bowl, and this just makes it blend a little bit easier. It's kind of like having 2 hands both doing the same thing. Alright, so that looks great. So now it's time for a taste test, don't you think? We have worked hard to prepare this dish, so now it's time for the taste. So I'm going to get in my bite some onion, some parsley, a nice big beet, and down and stuff. It's so good. The beets just burst with flavor. They're so flavorful and so delicious. And the best thing about this salad is that it gets better the longer it has time to melt together. So it's a great salad for making the day before or the night before or the morning before you have an event or a guest over, because it's just going to get better the longer it sits in your fridge, and the vinegar and the olive oil and the beets have time to kind of marinate and come together, and the onions will get a little softer too. Trust me, it's a keeper. So this is the delicious beet salad that I was telling you about. I really hope that you enjoy it and that you give it a try and that you get to see how delicious it really is. It's a healthy, simple, delicious, classic salad. So I hope you add it to your salad repertoire. No more boring salads nor weeknight meals. See you next time. Peace and love.